Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. This is November weekly reading from November 16th to November 22nd. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer Water Sign. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius. Under the deck, Queen of Swords, Three of Swords, the Sun, and Justice, Hermit. Right now you're going through some transformation, or in future you will go through some transformation here. For some you're dealing with Virgo. You decided to cut off someone from your life, or you want balance, or you are trying to balance things in your life here. For some kids also involved in this relationship. Right now you're feeling sad, you're heartbroken. Maybe some of you are in a very sad situation right now, Cancer. Three of Swords, someone broke your trust here. That's why you want to take the control of the situation. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Six of Wands, Knight of Swords, and Queen of Pentacles. You were very successful in recent past. You got recognition for your hard work. And at the same time, in relationship wise, you want success. But there were some issues between you and your person, because Knight of Swords, someone was rushing to communicate with you in recent past. Maybe they communicated, but there were some issues. But you gave 100% to this connection. You already invested a lot in this relationship. Then present, Three of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and the Star. Yeah, you invested a lot in this relationship, but from their side, it is always on and off connection. Yes, they always in and out of your life. You wishing, you're praying for this connection, you still wanting them back into your life, or you want to take this relationship to next level. Maybe you both want each other, but there is no commitment, there is no stability here, especially from your person side. Then future, Eight of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, and Two of Pentacles. So you are juggling here, you don't know which decision you have to make. You are juggling between head over heart here, and you're trying to balance things in your life, but eventually things are turning into your favor. Wheel of Fortune with Eight of Wands. Definitely things are changing so fastly. And Eight of Wands, lots of communication is coming here. Maybe someone wants to communicate with you. Lots of communication. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So under the deck, the Magician with Judgment. Maybe they are manifesting you here, and your person is a very clever person. They are in the process of some making decision here. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Let's see their intentions also. Maybe lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, states, and countries. And under the deck, the Emperor, Eight of Cups, Chariot. Maybe you're dealing with under Cancer, and Hanged Woman. So they are stuck on you. Your person is also juggling here. They also have no clarity what to do. That's why they are in very very slow moving energy. If they walked away or you walked away, now they have regrets. The emperor, but your person have some ego. That's why they're taking step slowly towards you. Their current feelings, that Tower, Five of Cups and Six of Swords. Right now they're missing you a lot because Five of Cups are now they're recognizing your worth here. They're realizing your worth here. That's why the separation or the issues between you and your person hurting them very badly. And they want to fix things with you because Six of Swords. They want to communicate with you. And their intentions, Ace of Pentacles, the World, and Ace of Swords. Now clarity is coming here. Now they really want to offer long term to you because stability, marriage. Yeah, they want reconciliation with you and they want a fresh start with you. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Cancer. Yeah, Five of Swords with Three of Wands. So Five of Swords with Three of Wands. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. This person really wants some positive growth in this relationship. They know they did hurt you. Maybe they backstabbed on you. They cheated on you. Now they want to express their feelings. They want to express their love to you. But still there are some confusion, or for some they are fantasizing about you a lot. I want one more card here. Yeah, they're manifesting you. Cancer. But they're missing you and want to give clarity to you. Communication is coming for sure. Yeah, marriage could be the issue here. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus. Marriage is involved here. I think you both are in some confusion, or you both have options here. Definitely some type of confusion, no clarity in this relationship. But you want clarity and it is coming. They also want to give clarity here. Ace of Swords is here and you also want clarity. It is coming because lot of drama is going, no clarity. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Cancer. Mutual energies and final outcome between you and Page of Pentacles. Yes, apology, communication is coming. And they want to offer stability here, but you are taking your time. Right now your guards are up. You want to take the control of the situation and you want to focus on yourself. You want to focus on your inner strength here. Yeah, because they broke your trust one time. Now you are protecting yourself. Now just you are focusing on your happiness within yourself and you are doing your own thing here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Cancer. Mask. Maybe they are not showing their true feelings or their true colors to you. Long distance relationship. Lots of you are in long distance relationship here. And will you forgive me? So Mask, will you forgive me? And long distance relationship are the messages for you. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Cancer. Step out of your comfort zone, North Node. So if you want to achieve something big in your life, this is the message for you. First you have to step out of your comfort zone and do consistent hard work, then you will achieve. Walk through your fears. New moon in Scorpio. Maybe you're dealing with Scorpio here. So if you have any fears, first you have to overcome those fears. So this is the message for you. Walk through your fears. And another message. The end of your tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. So if you're going through a tough time right now, this is the message for you. The end of your tough cycle approaches very soon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.